Here is how you can remove fingerprint lock from WhatsApp on your Android. Let me show you how it works and how you can manage this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, when I open up the WhatsApp, you can see that it doesn't even let me in because then I have to scan my finger to get inside. In order to remove it, once I'm in, I have to tap on the three lines in the top right, click on the settings, and I will have the ability to find the privacy option. So when I click on privacy in here, I can see all of the different things. But below, upon scrolling down, there is the app lock feature. There's also a chat lock feature, but when you mean the app and getting inside of the WhatsApp application using your fingerprint, this is the thing. So get inside and you can disable the unlock with biometric, meaning your face scanning or fingerprint, or you can decide that if it's going to be after 1 minute immediately or after 30 minutes. You also have the option for content, showing content in notifications, all up to you to decide. But if you want to stop this fully from happening, then make sure you disable the unlock with biometric, and the app WhatsApp is going to open up normally without any verification at all. So if that's the thing which you had in mind, then definitely let me know about that below in the comments. Just hit the thumbs up if it worked. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.